Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
What's up? It's Mr. Hello, birthday boy. You're not gonna say happy birthday?
No, it's my birthday.
It's not your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Your birthday is
again.
already passed.
It's my birthday again.
Our birthday is already passed. Me and Miss Faith are running out to go grab some stuff. So we are supposed to get snow tonight and tomorrow and the day after that.
August 6 are finished. How come?
Because you guys ate them all.
I only had 2.
Well,
Or 4.
I didn't even had one.
Yeah, you taste martyrs on, remember? I'm like, don't touch my food.
Okay, so we're heading out.
I'm gonna
Just
drive by.
Me and this one. We're gonna go get some stuff to make dinner. And yeah, well, dinner is halfway started, so which is good, but I'm just gonna try and see what
4.
me and Faith are here on the hunt. We're hunting for stuff and looking at Christmas gift at the same time. I know it's Christmas time, guys.
I smell something.
Where's the thing? It's the okay, it's down here. We gotta, I think.
Oh, look at the penguin last year.
Oh yeah.
No, not last
They
year.
are getting. Oh,
Mom, I want a picture.
Christmas.
I want a picture.
Over there?
Yeah, after.
Oh, look, they have all the Christmas trees and stuff up, Faith. So yes, look at all the Christmas stuff they have. Aww, merry and bright.
Wait, there's something in his butt. Oh, there's nothing.
Favorite time of year.
Where can I tap him?
I don't think
I can't see it. You have to squeeze somewhere. You have to squeeze somewhere.
We got Memphis got him a birthday cake. Nothing too big, but it's good for now. So we are heading home.
Whoa!
What was that? A bird?
Yeah, it
so
looked
we
like a
could
bat.
go. But all the stores, they're in season. It's Christmas time, so which is nice. So I'm just heading. Yeah, so it's time to go home. Time to go home. I gotta go work on what I'm working on. So it is motherfucker crazy out here. I just came to pick up the kids. I had an appointment to go to, and I end up having to cancel my appointment. Yeah, we had to cancel an appointment. Right now I'm sitting here just waiting for Memphis to get off the bus to pick him up. I tried to go and get him, but the weather is too bad. We are having our first official snowstorm in Ontario. It's supposed to be really bad, and it's really bad. Like how much people I've seen slip out so far, it is just crazy. So for those that are driving, take your time and get home safe to your family. Yeah, there's no point on risk speeding for, you know, to lose your life and not being able to go home to your family. So for those that are going through this weather, whether you're in the States, you're going through this crazy weather, or in Canada, guys, please drive responsibly and take your time. Take your time. It's better you crawl home than try to get home and don't make it home. Yeah, look at this weather. Crazy, huh? Like, it's just snowing. It's been snowing from morning. It's been snowing. So I'm on the side of the road right now. waiting. Still here. I've been waiting on Memphis. I still have not seen his bus. I am getting worried. Yeah. It's usually his bus already came, and like I am still waiting. I am still waiting.
No, Mommy, I thought
I
that
can't
was him.
really see. Can you do the back thingy, my digger?
So.
I can see it, but I didn't
Oh
see
gosh, how do you guys feel about the snowstorm?
Don't
him.
like
Terrible.
it. Good thing that I have 2 blankets on my bed.
No, but you guys get to go play in it. Like from the time that we're sitting here
Cool.
waiting on him.
No, thank
Oh, there's his bus. Oh gosh,
Exactly.
his bus is late, but at least it came. Okay, guys, I just seen his bus. So
We're out of the clear.
yeah, I'm just waiting on him. Because trust me, I could not have made it to my appointment today. Like, well, it's not even my appointment, it's actually Arissa's appointment. I look at the car. Holy crap! Did you just see it? It just spun out. Oh man, that is crazy. Holy
See, it's
cow.
going so slow.
Well, it has to be driving slow.
It's a horse thingy.
It's what's a horse thingy?
It's a Ford or something.
The car's a horse thingy.
It has a horse statue on it.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh, and for all the newcomers that are here in Toronto, yes, shouts out to all the RDLs and all the RDLs in Toronto and shout out to all the RDLs all over the world, whether you guys are in Sunshine State or crazy winter weather states. And I hope all those everyone that has not experienced snow,
Welcome to Canada.
I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. It is beautiful, but yeah, totally different from what everybody tells you, and experiencing it and seeing it on TV is a whole two different thing. So, but I'm still waiting for Memphis.
My Marissa bag is wet.
Why is Rissa's bag wet?
It's soaking wet.
Oh my goodness, look at the traffic. Like, there's so much pileup right now. People are so scared to drive. People are crawling. Some are speeding. Not because you got all winter tires. Yes. You see him?
I think that's him.
You see him? Oh gosh.
So give me your bag.
Hold on. Memphis! Memphis! Oh, you can't even see. I don't know if you guys can see him, but yeah, the snow's bad. Why is it like Memphis, come! Yeah, like it is horribly bad. Really bad.
Nothing.
What's in your bag that's open, Rissa?
It's
Check
just
it.
that the juice spilled.
When?
What juice?
This one.
Rissa, your bag is like
Okay.
soaking wet.
It's okay. Just get in, Faith.
Get in the car.
Oh, it's the car.
Oh,
filling up with snow. Wait, my boots.
My baby! You're okay? My baby's okay, guys. My big baby. I can't afford to lose you. Your birthday was just what? Not even a couple days well. His birthday. His birthday is what? Just one day after. Listen. Oh gosh. Okay. So now we're just going home. I tried coming for you, and the car was sliding all over the place. There was a car stuck on the hill and was rolling back. So there was a big traffic jam. You know how much people had to stop? And I was like, no, because I ended up canceling Rissa's appointment. So because it was too bad, I started sliding when I got out the house. The car was like going left, right, and center. So guys, we're just around the corner from the house anyways. So yeah, we're going to head home. Guys, what is up? Oh my gosh, what a snowstorm last night. Oh gosh, it was horrible storm. We are actually just heading out to go do some errands and trying to get some snow tire on this bad boy, because yeah, this weather is just crazy. Like, the roads are not even clear. Like well, at least I think the main roads, but where we live, they are not fully cleared yet. They were clearing them last night, but it's just been crazy. Like, well,
like drifting.
I know. Like drifting. I guess that's exactly what it is, like drifting. So watch out, baby, because it's some people, because them things that they have on snow tire, that mean them fi fly through, and it doesn't work like that, because the snow tire is still not as efficient. It's better, but not that.
Can you see that snow again?
Oh, I know. And see, it's starting to snow again. We got up to almost 15 centimeters of snow, and some other places in Toronto got up to 25. There was over almost 700 accidents yesterday alone.
And I'm one.
Yeah, guys, I got a phone call late at night. My baby was in an accident, but thank God he made it home safe. I tell you, boy, that's why it's so good to pray. Like, prayer, nothing beats prayer. I always make sure to pray before my kids them leave, or my husband leave, or even when we're leaving. We pray before you leave, and pray to God that everybody return home safe and sound. Because when I got the phone call, like, my heart dropped. So yeah, unfortunately the work van got totaled. So, well, the good thing about it, is he's getting a new one. But the bad news is it got total, and now, yeah, pretty much he was able to take the day off because he went in for the night shift and ended up coming back home. So yeah, oh my gosh, first time being in a police car, guys. Yeah. It's Christmas time, my favorite time of the year, right, babes? Wait a minute, you don't love Christmas? I love Christmas. They're walking in a lady for. Eh?
So I'm walking, man.
Yes, a man, you have to walk in and I don't know, woman, you're bright and face. That's don't push in and you're pushing.
You're bright, that's one push over this.
You're so disgusting. See something in my middle show thing here. Hello. Why you not stop hollering and pull me?
Because I'm all on van.
Oh, see, they have shoes there. Okay. Let me find your winter shoe. What? You know, see your purpose. Yeah. What are you doing? So I don't need her to be here to look.
Right, and then you buy way small and then it's
no, let me go buy it at a different size. Excuse you. No.
Shoes we push them foot in and make them grow in it. You buy shoes they serve them 1 month.
She's about like a 7.
Yeah, right.
You plan on buying liquor? What are you getting? Oh, pina colada. We can make some virgin pina colada.
What?
Pina colada. Look, they have it here for $5, and at the dollar store you can get it for like two. Something like that. Well, maybe the same price. Can you pick up my tea, please? No, I don't like the other stuff. Pardon? Like, look at the big old Walmart store. They only have one little aisle for international. Eh? They need to have more of a variety. Cater to all the cultures. You just have one little area. And it doesn't even have that much stuff. So this is it for the... So we're... No man, this can't be all of it. Babes, me looking for the rest of the international aisle, but that's all that they have. So comes I can't find anything else. Okay guys, so I am currently at school. Yeah, and as you guys can see, it's still snowing like crazy. Like, oh my god, God, I hate winter. I guess I thought the snow was over, but I guess it is just starting. And when I left earlier, it wasn't as bad. Now it's coming down even harder than before. So your girl is trying to get home. I just finished my tests, and yeah, that's it until tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm on my way home now, taking the bus because it's crazy. I'm almost home. As you can see, it is crazy. It's so dark outside. I'm walking towards oncoming traffic because the snow is brutal. I just got off the bus, but okay, I made it up. Oh man, this place is deep. And the snow is deep. Thank God for my booties. My high top boots. Probably was like, why don't you wear the other ones? But I didn't want to wear my other ones. My other boots are for dress boots. These ones are for this type of weather. I don't even care. Like, there's nobody. Look, there's nobody out on the road. Okay. So, and God said, let there be light. Okay. I am home, safe and sound. I love when my family is all home together, especially during weathers like this. I hate when hubby works night shift. I'd rather him be out there in the day and everybody come home and I know everyone's home sleeping safe. Yeah, because she grew out of her shoes. Everybody else has winter boot. She grew out of hers. Yeah, so I don't know where her foot going to, but yeah, I'm home. Why is the stairs light all on? Oh, and hubby finished dinner. Oh, thank God. Yeah, I started dinner before I left. So, and hubby finished it, which was nice. Because all right, I got an early morning class tomorrow. 8 o'clock. Yeah. Those ones are, I don't know. I don't know if my teacher's gonna see me. You know how hard it is for me to go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning this time of year? Like, these are the time of year I dread going outside, guys. Like, I hate it, but you know what? You just gotta push out. Oh, I don't even need to take this out. You just gotta push out and just go and do what you gotta do. I think I have the class that I have, I think I actually have a aerobics class tomorrow, actually. So I guess I could go. I don't necessarily have to, but I don't know. That one I guess I'll debate. But I am home and I'm gonna go shower, and then we're about to have some dinner, and yeah, we're pretty much going to end up calling it a night. So I hope y'all have a great night, and for those that are outside, get home to your loved ones safe. Say a little prayer between now and then, and yeah, just enjoy the rest of your night, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and